Welcome back. My name is Nigel Schroeter, and what I need you to do is go ahead and hit that thumbs up button right now. Like this video for me and share this video out with others so that they can get this same great information. Please make sure that you leave a comment and let me know how you feel about this video and if there are any other videos you'd like to see in the future. Now, today we're going to be talking about a very great but very dangerous tool potentially, and that is the Navy Federal Credit Union Cash Advance. Now, I love this product because I feel as though it's one of the best, if not the best, cash advances on the market for if you run into a situation where you need to use a cash advance. All right. So the great thing about this is it's flexible. You can pull the money and do the cash advance in any format that you like. You can go in the bank and do it. You can call over the phone and do it. You can do it in the app. You can do it online. Preferably, it's typically easier to do it in the app or online because you can do it just that fast. It's a very quick and easy process to do. So let's get into it, right? So the Navy Federal Credit Union Cash Advance, you have to remember one thing, and I want to make sure that I make this clear from the beginning. It is not a balance transfer. So if you get the platinum card, there's a different process for a balance transfer. We'll talk about that in another video. If you want that knowledge sooner, you can call the bank and they will give you, or, the credit union, and they will give you a better idea on how that process works. So remember that it's not a balance transfer because you don't want to get a card like the platinum and think that you're not paying interest on this money and then turn around to realize that you actually are, because that can be detrimental to your plan. Now, the difference between a cash advance at Navy Federal and a typical card purchase is that cash advances immediately begin to get charged interest from the moment that you pull them. So no, you're not going to be charged an instant fee as soon as you pull the money off, but interest will start accumulating from that day forward instead of like a normal card purchase where you get 30 days. So then on that upcoming statement, you're going to see the interest charge from the cash advance. Now, the other thing is that the interest rate for a cash advance is 2% higher than your base rate on your card, unless, and I repeat, unless you get a maximum interest rate on your card to begin with. So if you don't have the maximum interest rate, which is 18% with Navy Federal, if you don't have the maximum, then whatever your interest rate is plus 2% up to 18%. So say your card is, 17%. It's not going to go to 19. It'll stop at 18% for your cash advance interest. Now, the other great thing is besides that, there's no cash advance fee. Most banks charge a percentage on top of the interest and a cash advance fee. Navy Federal does not charge a cash advance fee. This is great because you don't have to worry about paying, another $40, $50, $60 or potentially more over what you borrowed. Because certain banks will charge you 10 or 15% of the money that you borrowed in order, or sometimes even higher percentages in order to kind of deter you from taking a cash advance, whereas Navy Federal is not doing that. And the last thing that I want to talk about is that this is a good tool because it can be used to pull funds in advance and pay off other products and keep your products current in the event that you end up in a financial tight. It can be a last line of defense emergency mechanism. However, you just have to remember that the cash advance feature with Navy Federal gets shut off as soon as one of your products is late. So if you're in a financial situation where you're unsure on whether or not you will need to pull a cash advance, pull it, pay it, and wait for the other money to come in to cover it. Do not wait until that product is late because then it's going to lock up your cash advance feature and it won't allow you to use those funds. So as always, thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, and share these videos out with others, and we'll see you in the next one.